Good day, guys. As you all know me, as a mentor, Nasdaq Ninja. So, guys, before I can continue, can you please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you can get notified once I upload. So, guys, today I'm gonna start with GER30 and we're gonna analyze US30 and NAS 100. So, this is what I actually saw when I traded GER30 today. You understand? I actually entered selling opportunities here. We actually milked until this position there. You understand? And which is like a lot of cash. People manage to capitalize, but I still feel like the market will sell based on the analysis that I actually got. Understand? So this is what we're gonna do, guys. We're gonna go to the weekly time frame and analyze the market and see what is it that we actually see. Why am I saying it's a sell? Understand? So this is what we actually see. So at this certain point, we actually created our highest point and then our current lowest point. We have to break our high, but obviously that couldn't like happen immediately now. They know very well that a lot of people see that, maybe most of them expect like what we call a break of structure. So there we can just put our selling opportunities there. I mean, our resistance and then put our buys. Obviously, on the resistance, we expect selling opportunities. You know the point. So, yeah, like I told you guys, this way I'm gonna be focusing on. I'm gonna focusing on the current low and the current highest point, and then I'm gonna push to the daily time frame and see what is it that the daily time frame has for me. You understand? So I'm gonna create places where when the market touches, the market reverses. I saw someone says, "Why am I doing that?" It's because whatever that happens in the past shall happen in the future again, bigger and better. So we realize that if you can create the previous touch, it will touch again in the future and it will create another movement. So that is why we always go for the past. You get the point. So I bet I gave you guys the best answer. If you asked the question and you didn't subscribe, unfortunately, you didn't get your answers because of not subscribing. So it's always a matter of subscribing so that you can wait for your answer to be answered in the right format. You understand? So I believe that the market can come back here and retest, but let's keep on analyzing and see what is it that we see. I'm not a German fan. But today I decided to trade GER30 and luckily guys we are in a proper profit and I appreciate that, that's nice, for a long time never traded German and then when I came back I just become on profits. So it's something that is so unique. So here I saw what I call the third touch, which is as being a 90% rule of the market. So first, second, the third one, it always gonna reverse because we touched there was a reason for us to reverse at that certain point. First touch, we reverse. Second touch, we can't see it, we reverse. The third one, we reversed. You get the point. So most of the people they like cloning this and then they do it like this and then they take it to the bottom side, which is I never said it's incorrect, but I can't work with one touch. I always work with two touches. So what I'm gonna do is let's push to 60 minutes time frame and see what is it that we see on a 60 minutes time frame. But I still see selling opportunities. You get the point. I'm down for the sales. I don't know you guys, but I'm down for the sales. So I'm gonna just put it here. And then from this point here, I'm gonna just take it straight. I want it like to drop. Let's just put it here. So here I'm going to put like my support here, a simple support like this. And then I'm going to put my simple resistance there, the top side, which is like a nice trade, right? And then you guys, obviously, you just entered. You can just enter your trades here. Put your stop loss above the resistance. Put your first check profit here. Here, I'm looking for a downtrend, and then I see where it is very well. Understand? Let's just two touches. They are there. Like I told you, I only need two touches. I don't need less than that. So it's like a channel, I can say, but this like a wedge whereby it's a continuation wedge if it breaks in the top side. So, but via the momentum of the market, I'm looking for selling opportunities. We still have to wait for it to reject this candlestick. Once it's here, we know very well definitely that that was our last rejection, understand? So the market will play around as much as it wants, guys. It will never stop. But at the end of the day, the market will do it. Will respect our direction as always and normal. So let's push to 30 minutes time frame and see what is it that we see, right? So here, guys, like I told you, this was the third touch. The market can never just come here and pass, and other people here is their zones. So here, probably most of the people are actually plugging their cells. Sell. I don't know what you're plugging, but there, it's an easy sell, you see. So I just want to like wait a little bit so that you can see that this is how you actually see like proper entry points whereby when the market touches, the market will reverse immediately. So yeah, most of the people they say they want those live trading, and like sometimes guys I get too busy to doing live trading. Like now I have to edit this video on a live trading. You can't edit it. So those are the kind of things that give us a problem. So I would rather like live trade myself, seeing the market on what it's gonna happen and this and that, so that I can actually be able to give you all whatever the review that's gonna happen. Understand? So now the market is just playing around there, but at the end of the day, we're gonna see it dropping. That's how it is, you know. So since we are waiting for it to actually take the direction, let's go and analyze US30. Let's analyze US30 and see what do we see on the US30. You know, most of the times when I see a pattern like this, I probably see like buying opportunities. I don't know you guys, and I be like, my take profit is there, but it's no longer the case. You know, it's no longer the case. Now let's go for analysis and see what is it that I see. You see, the market actually like rejected there at the top. Probably tells us that there's a bigger problem there at the top. The market might start receiving like a lot of selling opportunities than buying opportunity. And this is just like what is this? It's the candlestick, unshaven candlestick. So unshaven candlesticks always bring problems to the market. I don't know you guys if you know what I'm talking about, but yeah, that's an unshaven candlestick. So here there's always been called a gap. So the market came and filled it. The market came, haven't yet filled this point here. Yeah, they haven't yet filled it, but you know, it's a story of another day. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna push to the daily time frame and see what is it that we see on a daily time frame. On a daily time frame, I see like a proper sell. Like this is like a proper sell, big sell, guys. Like yo, ha, here you gotta be getting your entry points. Where you at? I don't know if you guys see this, but there's like a bigger sell, guys. This the market being rejected there, not created an unshaven candlestick. We're gonna see the market dropping. We're going to see the market dropping. So here I'm trying to like find a pattern that I can create, not force it or not like create it from my mindset, but creating it from the market concept, understand on what the market is saying to me, you know. So I think we have a double top as well. We do have a double top. If you can look at it quite well, you see a double top here. This was our first touch here. Probably here they were taking people out, and which is something that we can never blame them. It's part of the market. People are being taken out daily so that they don't live with the market. You know, I don't know why, but that's how it is. You understand? So the people are being taken out daily, like so. Here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just clone this place here and then put it here straight. So this is just like a double top. So even if the market decide to move and touch here, bro, like we're still gonna be dropping. But I'm looking for selling opportunities from the point that I am. I hope and believe you guys can see it very well. And it's already dropping. Put our stop loss here. Take profit here. But remember, guys, just in case you don't understand, put your other take profit here. Due to that, the market have to break this in order for us to create like a bigger momentum, you understand, to come at that certain point. But because of it creating a double top, that's where the problem comes. You know, we go with a double top. So I have to make a touch here. Yeah, that's how beautiful it has to be. So beautiful and nice. You get the point. So beautiful and nice. So I see already it's dropping, and that's what I want to see. That's what I want to see, the market dropping, going to the bottom side, you know. Yeah, I'm so excited because you see, I just analyzed this and you can see it's already like taking the direction. And so super nice. At least on the group I sent them German 30, and which is like something that I was looking forward to today. So it's no. So here, guys, we are on NAS 100. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the same thing, create my current lowest point, and then I'm creating places whereby the market touches, the market reverses. Nasdaq kind of like have like those weak sells, but you know, maybe they will sell, you know, and it haven't like covered this point here. It has to come and touch at that certain point. I don't know why I learned that, but I seen that that makes sense, understand? So yeah, you learn everything in the market. I just learned that, I think this week's. Yeah. So I can't go furthermore to the highest time frame because I'm gonna get confused, understand? So I'm gonna just start it here on an H4 time frame and see what is it that I see at this certain point. So here just see a correction and impulse, but I know this kind of impulse that will come here and then reverse at a certain point. So by reversing it here in this middle of the road, I'm not sure because you know that's not part of my concept. I don't know what will make it reverse here, but yeah, it can reverse at this certain point. The reason I wanna force sales is because of the other side, the market selling. So at this certain point, it means Nasdaq, for us to get a proper sell, we just have to wait for it to come here on this zone. Like it's always worth it to wait and be patient with the market. So on my first take profit, I can just check it there. You wait for it to touch there. Once it touches there, then we know very well that I know we're dropping. We're gonna be dropping very hard. So yeah, it doesn't have like a double top, so it probably could go there and create a double top. Where it is, yes, it can sell, but you know, it's not my concept. I can't sell because of like thinking of the market can sell due to the others now. You see, so it means Nasdaq will be patient enough to wait for it to touch there so that it can drop to the bottom side. That's how it is, guys. That's how the market is. So let's go and check GER30. What are you doing, GER30? What is GER30 doing? Let's check GER30. Okay, GER30 is still at that certain phase. Still haven't yet gave us that drop, bigger drop, or we'll wait for it until it gave us the drop. We just have to wait, guys. Waiting is part of the business. I like waiting because if you don't wait, you're gonna close losses thinking like the market will reverse it, this and that. Nah, the market will do exactly as it has to do, man. Analysis is part of this, man. We've been in this game for very too long, to understand how this thing works. So you see, it'll drop, bruh, like it's going to drop. We just have to be patient with it. We saw like sales in all of them, like US30 and GER30. So it's GER40 currently, but other brokers are still writing it as GER30. You see how is it dropping now? So yeah, might just be patient with it and then see what's gonna happen. I understand. I'm gonna be just patient with it. Let's be patient. Patient is the key to success. If you don't become patient, you're not gonna be successful. You guys just wanna wake up today and become rich. Nah, bruh. The market, you don't even control the market. You don't control the speed of how the market has to move, this and that. Now we just analyze, which is called determination, and think if the market reaches at this certain point, the market will move. You understand? So I want my people to actually like give me results because the signals was sent earlier. They saw like big profit. They saw like big profit. So yeah, it's good. It's good being in the group, guys, because you can see like things like this like faster than anybody else. It's very good, guys. Like I told you guys, if you need our free channel, click in the link below in the description. That's where you're gonna get our free signals, you understand? And then go and eat, check what's happening. If you wanna text me on WhatsApp, come, let's talk, man. You see what it's doing? Keep quiet. Yo, it's dropping, like nah, it's dropping. It's dropping. It's really dropping. As much as everyone can see, it's dropping, right? Like, yeah, guys, that's how it is, guys. You can see it's dropping. Yeah, you know, I got none to say. For whatever that comes here is just dropping. So let's not make this video very long, guys. Just go and monitor it on your Meta 4 or Meta 5, whatever you're using, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video, guys.